Imagine earning $29.5 million in a single year. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's the reality for the top YouTuber of 2020. This staggering figure might have you picturing a life of luxury, thinking that every creator on the platform is raking in the dough. But alas, that's a common misconception. The truth is a little more complex and a lot less straightforward. You see, estimating what a YouTuber earns isn't as simple as looking at their subscriber count or video views. There are a myriad of revenue streams and factors at play. We're talking about ad revenue, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and even crowdfunding. Each of these contributes to a YouTuber's income, and the mix varies greatly from one creator to another. So, let's dissect the mystery of YouTubers' earnings. Let's dive into the world of likes, views, and viral sensations to see what it really takes to make a living on YouTube. YouTubers' income isn't as straightforward as it seems. Indeed, it's a complex jigsaw of multiple revenue streams, each contributing its part to the total income. Let's unravel this puzzle to better understand the financial workings of a typical YouTuber's life. First up, we have ad revenue. This is the most common and direct source of income for YouTubers. It's generated through ads that play before, during, or after videos. The revenue is split between YouTube and the creator, with the latter receiving 55%. However, this income fluctuates based on factors like the number of views, the type of ads, and the viewer's location. Next, we have sponsorships. These are deals where companies pay YouTubers to feature or promote their products or services in their videos. It's a lucrative stream, especially for creators with a large and engaged audience. However, the key here is relevance. A YouTuber focused on tech gadgets won't likely promote beauty products, right? Then there's merchandise sales. Many YouTubers design and sell their own merchandise, such as t-shirts, mugs, or even their own books. This not only provides an additional revenue stream, but also helps strengthen their brand. Affiliate marketing is another avenue. Here, YouTubers promote products and provide affiliate links in their video descriptions. When someone makes a purchase using these links, the YouTuber gets a commission. Lastly, we have fan funding. Platforms like Patreon allow fans to support their favorite creators directly. In return, they might get exclusive content, early access to videos, or even a personal shout-out. Each of these revenue streams has its own potential and challenges. Some YouTubers might make a killing on ad revenue but struggle with merchandise sales. Others might excel at securing sponsorships but receive minimal ad revenue. It's a mixed bag, and every YouTuber's financial journey is unique. But not all YouTubers have the luxury of multiple revenue streams. Let's look at the average earnings. The earnings of YouTubers cover a wide range. Let's get into the numbers. Now, when we talk about the earnings of YouTubers, it's important to remember that there's a vast disparity between the top earners and those just starting out. Let's break it down by the size of the channels. Small YouTubers with a following of a few hundred to a few thousand typically earn a modest income. In fact, many of these creators make less than $1,000 a year. That's right, less than 1,000. This comes from a combination of ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales, with ad revenue often being the smallest contributor due to the limited number of views. Now let's move up the ladder to the medium-sized channels, boasting tens of thousands to a few 100,000 subscribers. These creators have a more substantial income, often ranging from $10,000 to $50,000 a year. Here, sponsorships and merchandise sales start to play a more significant role, often surpassing ad revenue. Finally, at the top of the pyramid, we have the large YouTubers. These creators with millions of subscribers can earn anything from a few $100,000 to several $1 million a year. At this level, ad revenue is substantial, but it's often dwarfed by lucrative sponsorship deals and merchandise sales. However, it's crucial to remember that these figures are averages and can vary dramatically depending on factors like the creator's niche, audience engagement, and the effectiveness of their monetization strategy. So it's not all glitz and glamour. Behind these earnings are countless hours of content creation, editing, marketing, and audience engagement. It's a full-time job that requires dedication, creativity, and a lot of hard work. So, you see, building a successful YouTube channel isn't a walk in the park. Want to dive into the world of YouTube yourself? Well, we've got something that might just pique your interest. It's a course aptly named YouTube Mastery and Monetization. Now, don't let the formal title intimidate you, because this course is designed to be as engaging, informative, and as enjoyable as possible. In this course, we'll guide you on how to create your very own YouTube channel. Whether you want to be the face of your channel or prefer to remain behind the scenes, we've got you covered. The course provides a comprehensive guide on how to manage your channel effectively, ensuring that it grows and reaches a wider audience. But let's not forget the most crucial part, monetization. After all, you're not just here for the fun of it, right? You want to turn your passion into a sustainable income stream. YouTube Mastery and Monetization is designed to help you navigate the complexities of YouTube's monetization policies. We'll teach you how to get your channel monetized and, more importantly, how to stay monetized. And here's the best part. We're offering a free webinar to give you a taste of what the course entails. It's a great opportunity to see if this course is the right fit for you. All the details about the webinar are right below this video in the description. No strings attached, just a click away. Remember, YouTube isn't just about creating content. It's about creating value for your audience. And this course is all about helping you do just that. It's about equipping you with the knowledge and tools to build a successful YouTube channel. So why wait? The world of YouTube is vast and full of opportunities. Don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back. With the right guidance, you can create a channel that not only resonates with your audience, but also brings in a steady income. Your YouTube journey could start today with the right tools and knowledge. Success on YouTube doesn't come overnight. It's a mantra we've all heard, but it bears repeating here. The journey of a YouTuber is not a simple straight line from point A to point B. It's a winding road with ups and downs, peaks and valleys. The staggering figures we discussed earlier, those eye-popping numbers that top YouTubers pull in each year, are the product of years, even decades, of hard work, perseverance, and a dash of luck. Remember, we also discussed the multitude of revenue streams that contribute to a YouTuber's income. It's not just about ad revenue. Sponsorships, merchandise sales, and even courses can all contribute to a YouTuber's bottom line. Each of these streams requires its own set of skills, from negotiating deals to designing products, and that's on top of the already demanding task of creating engaging content. We also touched on the average earnings of YouTubers, breaking it down into small, medium, and large channels. It's important to keep in mind that these are just averages, and there's a wide range in earnings within each category. Some YouTubers may earn more, some less. The defining factor: hard work and consistent effort. Building a successful YouTube channel is akin to building a skyscraper. You start with a strong foundation, which in this case is your content. Then, brick by brick, video by video, you build upwards. It's a process that requires patience, dedication, and a lot of elbow grease. But the beauty of YouTube is that there's no ceiling to how high you can build. There's no cap on your earning potential. Whether you're a small YouTuber just starting out or a seasoned veteran, the sky truly is the limit. So if you're willing to put in the work, to learn the ropes, to face challenges head on, then there's nothing stopping you from achieving your YouTube dreams. Remember, the sky is the limit, but it's up to you to build the rocket. That's a wrap on the earnings of YouTubers. We've dived deep into the world of YouTube earnings, debunked some myths, and revealed some truths. We hope this has provided some fresh perspective and insight. If you found this video valuable, we'd love it if you could hit that like button. It helps us to create more content like this. Also, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on our future videos. We have more eye-opening content lined up for you. From the secrets of faceless YouTube channels to understanding the art of staying monetized, we've got it all covered. In the meantime, why not check out some of our other videos? You'll find them right here on the screen. Dive in and continue your journey of discovery. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep dreaming and keep creating.